The experience this weekend is so difficult to put into words. It really was a beautiful opportunity to meet myself, meet my body, meet my experience at a whole new level and learn to deepen it in a way I didn't even know was possible. This kind of workshop might be something that's pushing your edge a little bit, but I promise you that if you take that opportunity to just show up and see what happens, whatever happens, you're going to be surprised and you're going to leave with a new relationship to yourself and tools that you can apply to keep deepening that relationship over time. I can feel on a level of my being that it has changed me forever. So if you're thinking about it, do it.